Finally, it's here. One of Rome's favorite hangouts is back.
Every summer, the banks of the Tiber fill up with restaurants, cafes, bars, and shops. There's also an open-air cinema, concerts, exhibitions, and all sorts of other fun things.
There's this great outdoor vibe, and it's great fun just to stroll along and enjoy the scene.
Buonasera caro. Guarda che è normale per apartment. Vai dai. Mi prendete il posto per favore? Mi prendete il posto in dal 9? No, prego. Oh. Manacci su. Ovviamente montato un po' sicuro, sicuro.
But all that excitement will get you hungry and thirsty too.
I've been waiting a year for this. My very first Grisha burger after a year. So what is a Grisha burger? A Grisha burger is an Italian invention. It's just a burger with pecorino and black pepper, and it tastes yummy. It's excellent. So this here is your Grisha burger. It's topped with pecorino, black pepper, and guanciale. Fantastic. See this guanciale?
I'm a bit of an early bird, but as the night settles in, Romans only start to flock to the banks of the Tiber. And the old city does what it does best: provide a stunning backdrop for your night out.